And senators say we could see more of that as they accuse Robert F. Kennedy Jr. of upending America's healthcare system. The contentious hearing comes on the heels of Florida announcing it will remove all school vaccine requirements. Meanwhile, new CBS polling shows how Americans feel about vaccine availability. So what does this all mean for you? Today, we looked at whether similar vaccine requirements could be lifted here and whether Florida's move creates a travel risk.
Fireworks on Capitol Hill.
Sir, you're a charlatan.
Senators from both sides accused Health and Human Services Secretary RFK Jr. of watering down the need for vaccines and paving the way for Florida's announcement that it is removing all vaccine mandates for school children.
I'm asking the questions for Mr. Kennedy on behalf of parents and schools and teachers all over the United States of America who deserve so much better than your leadership.
You just told Senator Bennett that the COVID vaccine killed more people than COVID.
Wait,
that was a statement.
I did not say that. It doesn't mean that I'm, anti-vax. It just means I'm pro-science.
Governor Hochul says no way New York would follow in Florida's footsteps by removing school vaccine requirements, and Governor Murphy agreed.
Not under my watch. Very troubled by the discussions around vaccines and public health at the federal level.
But with frequent travel between Florida and the tri-state area, even Governor Murphy worries our vaccine requirements won't protect against disease spreading here.
I'm concerned this is not the America I know. Science has solved a lot of the challenges that we faced in the past, and undoing that I don't think does us any good, including in public health.
According to a new CBS News poll, most Americans think vaccines should be made more available, and many say RFK Jr. is making them less available.
In our polling, we find that people widely think that the government ought to encourage parents to vaccinate their children. In particular, this is for the MMR vaccine. The other breakdown of this I want to show everybody is that although sometimes these things get politicized, you do see majorities of Democrats, independents, and a majority of Republicans saying that they think the government ought to encourage parents to vaccinate.
I spoke with two health officials about the risk of traveling to Florida, which a lot of people here call the sixth borough. They told me it's still too early to know if Florida's decision would impact us here, but they did encourage parents to get their kids vaccinated on schedule, which would lessen any impact when you're traveling or interacting with someone who is unvaccinated.
Interesting findings there by Anthony with his polling, right?
Absolutely. It's overwhelming the majority of people who feel that way. So.